Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a fantastic day. We have a new full lineup from the company FIOBOC clothing company, and we have some new drip to try on right here. Look at all these sweet, beautiful shirts and a zip-up hoodie we're going to get to in just a second. Now, this is FIOBOC's newest lineup of Stay Cool series, daily life shirts, exercise, and travel. This is a blend of 3 renewable materials. This is PIMA cotton, bamboo, and Sornia. This constant fine-tuning ensures the PBS fabric offers unparalleled softness and the highest level of skin-friendly comfort. The Stay Cool is designed with everyone's needs in mind, with ranging sizes from small to 5XL, and they come in standard, slim, or extra long fits, and 4 necklines: crew, V-neck, polo, and hem collar, with over 22 colors. They're a wrinkle-free material. You can machine wash them and wear directly without ironing. They have 4-way stretch for mobility, and these are beautiful for, if you haven't seen my video already, I have a black polo, used it in golf in Moab, Utah. Beautiful, comfortable, and you literally could play pickleball, use these as gym shirts. Obviously not the collared ones, you can if you want to, but let's get these out and show you how they fit. Now, as we start this video, FIOBOC is hooking you guys up. If anything you see in this video you like, or any other products, I'm going to show you a couple other ones. The top link in the description box below will be a 20% off discount for you, where you can apply that discount at checkout. All the information will be top link in the description box below. Apply the discounted code at checkout for, again, 20% off whatever they offer on their website. Again, top link in the description box below. Let's begin. Now, I'm also excited about the zip-up hoodie as well. Okay, first up is going to be the white polo, and this is the slim fit here. And let me go ahead and get that a little bit more tilted for you guys. And this fits absolutely fantastic. I think it will actually barely shrink at all, maybe a little bit, but that actually is going to be perfect for me. Right out of the packaging, see how it tapers in. Now, I have a very thin, lean, athletic build, and see how it just hugs the muscles right here, and it's nice and breathable, stretchy as well. My backswing, you're not going to get bunched up right here with 100% cotton. It's going to allow you to breathe. Look at how it rubs my neck here. Now, if you are wondering, I'm about 5'9", on a good day, more like 5'8". I'm about 150 pounds soaking wet. I lift weights, again, athletic build. So look at how it hugs my back, my arms right here. Got a little tricep definition there. Looks good in the chest and tapers down into the area here. Now, this is also their jeans. These are stretchable jeans. Highly recommend these as well. They're a little thinner than your name brand like Levi's. When you put them on, you'll understand. So they're just a little thinner. They're not as thick, but perfect for summertime, spring. I live in Colorado. Our sun is pretty intense, and so I wear jeans pretty much all the time. I do wear shorts, but not that often. So again, check out their website, top link in the description box below after the video, of course, for their jeans. Anyway, as you can see here, again, I'm about 5'8", 5'9". It sits right below my belt line right here, my unbuckle belt area here. So you can tuck that into some golf pants. I have reviewed their golf pants already, so take a look at those as well on the channel. All right, so this is the white color, polo, slim fit. Here is the blue color, looking absolutely fantastic. Again, same exact fit. You can button it all the way to the top if you want. I have one button open, looking absolutely great with your backswing. And this is the slim fit crew neck. Again, crew neck, which means round. And just look at how it hugs the muscles. Oh, the triceps are looking pretty good right there. Just look at how it hugs, and it feels really good. If you guys are not aware of bamboo fibers, again, this is a blend, but the bamboo fibers, I have bamboo fiber sheets. Love them. You put it on, it's like silky smooth, perfect for mountain bike riding, cycling, everyday wear, exercising, etc. This feels absolutely fantastic. As it sits, I literally can just walk out of the house right now. Beautiful sitting on the jeans. Everything is tapered and thin. We're looking absolutely fantastic. So that is the black color slim fit crew neck. I also have the polo in black. The black looks really, really sharp. And here is the dark gray as the sunlight comes in. And so that looks absolutely stunning, blending in with my floor lamps, as you can see there. Again, the gray, everything fits identical, the same, looking absolutely fantastic crew neck. And then this is the same color as the polo shirt in the blue or slate blue, sometimes they call it, right here. Great fit. And this is their zip up hoodie, which is perfect for exercise. You almost have like little like reflective things up here. That just might be a decal, but that kind of looks a little reflective to me. You have that on both shoulders. The back here, again, you have a hood, and it's the same type of material, super soft. This is definitely pickleball type of a zip up. I have the shirt underneath, and this is a slim fit as well, a slim fit hoodie. Zip up, very light as well. I definitely can mountain bike as it is spring or summertime. If there's a little chill in the air during the summertime, that fits great as well. I'm actually going to be playing pickleball. I have to review a paddle for pickleball, and it's actually chilly outside right now, about high 40s. So this is going to be perfect, being able to stretch. Even if you threw this in your golf bag, put this on as you're golfing. It looks nice enough where the golf course is not going to be upset. And here is the hoodie here on top of my head. That's a great zip up. And you also have zippered pockets right here as well for jogging, running, big enough to put your cell phone in there. Let me flip open mine. Most of you guys don't have flip phones, but definitely plenty of room in there. Throw your credit cards in one side, your cell phone in the other. Go out for a run, keys, etc. That's looking absolutely fantastic. Let me just double check, make sure. There is actually it's kind of the zippered pocket on the inside, but you actually have like a little pocket here and on here as well. On the inner portion, which kind of mingles in on top of, so yeah, there's two inner pockets as well. They're not zippered, but where you could hide some cash or something like that inside of the hoodie. That is fantastic. Guys, the clothing haul has passed the test again. Once again, if you want 20% off your order, whatever you order, top link in the description box below, but make sure that you apply my code at checkout for 20% off. Here are their jeans once again. Stay tuned, I got another clothing haul coming up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY house related tech videos, unboxing, review videos, and more. Once again, get your 20% off, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. If you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please purchase on away. They make solid clothing, feels really soft and great like I mentioned. Top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. My name is Chris. Bye-bye for now.